What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode. I tried to set this video up when I was in Whistler, but I only had a GoPro with me, and I looked at the footage and the audio was complete crap. I lost like one of those nice hats that I have. So yesterday I was in Whistler and we went whitewater rafting, and it was a lot of fun. I could only bring my GoPro because there was no storage on the bus, and I didn't want this camera to get wet, so here it is. Got super drenched, and but had a lot of fun. But now I'm back in Victoria, and we're gonna be doing a vlog today. Hopefully go catch some crab a little bit later on, make some food. As of right now, we are just heading into this restaurant where my friend Stuart works. Hey pal, come here. You wanna be in the video, buddy? Oh my, look at that! Yeah, you like that? I love it. Stuart is the bar manager here, and he's going to be taking care of us today.
Always.
Great. Are you need another beer as well?
Okay, see you, buddy. Have a good one. Hey guys, so I'm showing my dad the cruise ship port, and we're just gonna warm him up to the vlog, and I'll just introduce him really quick. This is my dad. Dad, you want to say anything to everybody?
Hello everybody.
So I have a camera person today, which is really nice. It can follow me around, and we are gonna go catch some crab. Okay, so I went and bought a little crab trap. I bought some line. I bought this pail to put crabs in. I have some chicken, because apparently crabs like chicken. And I think that that's all you need. I think so. So we're just going down here, which if you've seen my other vlog, I went here with my friend Chris and caught crab. So let's see if I can do it myself. It's been about an hour, and I know you should wait longer. I'm just excited to see if we have any crab. We do. We've got two, but they're little. They're little babies. Hi, guys. Hi.
Not to be scared, but I was a little scared on it.